I joined this soil to soil tour to Ayodhya for 7 days. I had a unique experience. It's a totally different type of experience where we got all VIP darshans from Ayodhya to Varanasi. See, if you're a senior citizen, if you're thinking of going to all these religious tours, I suggest you join this tour because other tours will take you, but they won't give you the VIP darshans or knowledge of what is Ramayan and all. They had kept the soil and tour people. I really appreciate them. They had kept some so beautiful lectures of all scholars, experts, where they taught us, they told us, they gave us gnan about what is Ramayan, what is all this. And we even had a ghazal night of Anup Jalota. It was really amazing tour. We enjoyed it to the last day and we are not even tired. We are relaxed everywhere comfortable. It was a nice tour. I would thank the tour operators, especially Hemant Bhai, who convinced me to come, and I came, and I am very lucky to come to. Thank you.